Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the process of enabling spatial sound in Windows 11. And now let's get started. To enable spatial sound in Windows 11, begin by right-clicking on the Start button. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Once the Settings window is open, navigate to the System tab on the left pane. In the right pane, locate and select Sound. Within the Sound settings, you will find an Output section. Choose the audio device for which you wish to enable spatial sound. Scroll down further within the device settings. You will see a toggle for spatial sound. Change this toggle from Off to either Windows Sonic for headphones or any other available spatial sound option you prefer. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.